For those of you that haven't seen Spring Boot before, it's an opinionated, production-ready way to consume all of Spring. It provides sensible defaults and automatic configuration, as well as support for embedded HTTP servers. You can think of it as kind of Spring, and that's all of Spring, plus Tomcat, or perhaps Jetty or Undertow if you want to switch them out, minus any kind of configuration. So it's like Spring without having to go to Stack Overflow. Spring Boot really helps when it comes to microservices. You're going to have to write more than one microservice. That means you're going to have to do the following things a lot: declare dependencies, configure Spring, configure logging, load property files, set up monitoring, add security, talk to databases, add metrics. All these things can be helped by using Spring Boot. There are several ways you can get started with Spring Boot. Perhaps the easiest is to use the CLI tool. To install the CLI, if you're on a Mac, it's as simple as typing brew tap pivotal tap and then brew install Spring Boot. If you're on a Windows or a Linux machine, you can download a zip distribution, simply unpack it, and then run some shell scripts. You can also get started with STS or IntelliJ. Both have file new and then a Spring option that will take you to a wizard to help you get set up. Finally, there's also a website available called the Spring Initializer at start.spring.io. Let's have a quick look at the CLI in action.